facing some problems with the running the program. So we'll be showing you exact how to run our code. So right now we have just downloaded the zip file from the model. So we'll just unzip it. And you can see two folders there. So one is the client and one is the server. So first we'll just run all these files, compile all these files. GCC server.c. Yeah. So both of these have compiled. Okay. So now we'll just run the program. Okay. And first, just a small run through the question. So basically, what we have to do is we just have to run the server first and provide the server port number, and then connect to this server port number and the server IP address from the client, and then send some requests. So we'll send 2 or 3 requests and show the running, and then also show the concurrency part. Okay. So first we'll set up the server. I'm using 8000 port for this. So you can see the server has started successfully. So first we provide the server IP address and the port number. So you can see the client has, the TCP connection has been established and the server has acknowledged the same, saying that the child process has been created successfully and is waiting for queries. Okay. So now I'll just send some queries. Okay. So first I'll show the data set we have. So this is the UPC code 001 and this is the price, let's say 100, and this is the item name. Okay. So let's say first we send a request of type 0 asking for a UPC code of 001 and quantity is 10. So the server said that the server replied using in the code 0 and it has told us the price of 1 and told us the name of the item. And here we can see this is the cost, which is the current total cost of the client. So just to show you this, like if I add 10 more laptops, then the cost will increase. So this is the total cost which we can see. And when we exit this connection, let's say I now exit this connection, then I'll get the total cost of the server, which is 2000. 0 means that it has worked successfully and the client has exited successfully and the server is now again open for more connections. So I'll now show you a small example of concurrency. So we'll run 2 similar. Just a second. Yeah. So we'll run 2 same clients and we'll create concurrent requests. So see 0, 001, 10 and 0001, 10. So I have sent 2 requests and the client and the server has responded to both the requests concurrently. And when we exit, we get the correct total results. 1, 0, 10. So see, so this guy bought 10 laptops, so the total cost came out to be 1000, and the same for this guy also. So and the server keeps running, and it's still listening to it's still listening to clients if they want to connect. So this is how you can run the program and test. We can explain everything if like over call. So Ankur, Abhishek, do you want to add anything?
That's fine. That's true, man.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.